In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Microsoft Forms with our full 2025 guide. Microsoft Forms is a versatile tool that's part of the Office suite, perfect for creating surveys, quizzes, and questionnaires. Collecting email addresses is a crucial step in reaching out to your audience effectively, whether for feedback, promotions, or updates. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you can confidently set up your forms to capture those all-important contact details. To get started, head over to forms.office.com, sign in using your Microsoft account, and then you have the option to either select a pre-existing form or create a new one based on your needs. Now that you're in your desired form, let's focus on the settings to enable automatic email collection. This feature is particularly useful if you're working within a school or organizational environment. Click on the More Options button, represented by three dots, and select Settings. Navigate to the Responses section where you will find a couple of important settings. First, enable the Record Name option. This setting will capture your respondent's email if they're signed in through your organization. Additionally, toggle the Send Email Receipt to Respondents option. This handy feature ensures that participants receive a copy of their submissions, adding a professional touch and reliability to your survey. For a managed submission scope, share your form with the only people in my organization can respond setting. This way, every response will automatically include the respondent's email, providing you with the necessary information right at your fingertips. Of course, not every form is limited to internal distribution. If you're reaching out beyond the organization, you'll need to collect emails manually. For broader public forms, start by clicking on Add New, then choose a text question. Label this field clearly as email address. Then, ensure you toggle the required setting, making this field mandatory to advance through the form. For additional completeness, especially to avoid errors, you can further refine this by setting restrictions. Click the More options next to your question, go to Restrictions, and select Text, then Email. This ensures that inputs fit the correct email format, minimizing invalid submissions. Now that we've set up our form, it's essential to test it. Use the Preview option to enter a test response. Navigate to the Responses tab to verify that emails are being recorded as expected. If you're using the automatic collection method, double check that the respondent's email appears automatically. After confirming that your form is functioning correctly, you're ready to put it to use. Finally, once responses start pouring in, access all the collected emails by going to the Responses tab and selecting Open in Excel. This will compile all the emails in a spreadsheet format, excellent for follow-ups, newsletter campaigns, or tracking engagement. And that's all there is to it for collecting emails with Microsoft Forms. I hope this walkthrough helps you streamline your communication efforts and enhances your interactions through easy and effective email collection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful